What's up guys, Jeep and Bubba here, and I have an awesome new product from RockMan Fabrication. We're going to install it today and we're going to show it to you. Alright, this is an under the seat storage locker, storage container, storage box, whatever you'd like to call it. We're going to pull it out and get it installed. Alright, first thing you want to do, flip your seats up. Make sure they're empty. I went ahead and took everything out. I'm going to vacuum this, but before I do, let's pull these bolts out right here. It's a 10 millimeter, or you can use a Torx. So I'm going to just use the 10 millimeter, and they come right out. We're going to do that in 3 more places, and pull this plastic out. All right, we got the plastic removed, and I vacuumed this area. So let's get the RockMan Fabrication box. All right, I got the box in all by myself. Having a second person to help wouldn't hurt, but it's not the end of the world. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to line up these holes with the factory nuts, the plates that are down there. I'm just about on it. And you're going to use some new hardware. There's this pack. All right, that was simple and easy, but I'm going to give you a few tips. To line these holes up, you do need to just slightly lower this lid, okay? And that'll help you line it up. And I just start by putting one here, going and putting one on the outside, putting one there, and not completely snugging them down, just leaving them loose. I did put a little pressure, sorry, little camera work here, just push down a little bit right here to connect to those. Literally filming in one hand by myself, got this whole box installed in less than 5 minutes. Super easy to install. Couple things to note on this. That is weather stripping, sealing, so shouldn't be rattling. Shouldn't get any dust in here, water, that sort of thing. Really going to be nice if you want to put something in here when your door's off or topless. What I like, if you've seen the factory one, it's just a piece of plastic right here, and things slide in and slide out and roll out over here. And another great feature on this thing is you're absolutely able to keep your jack in. You've still got your box over there that holds your screws for your top. So you're not losing any of that. You still have a little space right here. This opens all the way up to the seats. You got that nice hinge all the way along here. It is coated with like a bed coating liner, and it's super thick. I could tell that that's gonna last a long time. Here we are, latches, and then of course we can lock it as well. So you're asking yourself, Bubba, why do I want this for my Gladiator? Well, I like the fact that it locks. Have you ever had your doors, top, or even just your freedom panels removed, and you're maybe at the beach or parked somewhere in public, and you're like, I got some things that I don't want to walk away. Not to mention, most folks aren't going to look underneath your seat to steal something. They might not even know that these things right here fold up and down. But if they do figure that out, now you've got a lock box underneath, and all of your valuables are safe and secure. Installed, you can see that our seats fold down perfectly. There's nothing loose here, no gaps. Then you see that awesome logo on the side, RockMan Fabrication. He just does really good work. Look how that all lines up together. So under my seat, I always like to have some glass cleaner, a little bit of detailer, these paper towels that are always getting wet from like the kids or stuff that's on the floor. So now we have a nice dry box to put those in. I've got my funnel for my diesel additive, and then I'll throw some diesel additive in here as well. I've got so much room. I can put tools, straps. I'm definitely going to put my ratchet straps in here so they're nice, neat, and organized. But just look how well that finishes up. Alright, so it's super easy install. Less than 5 minutes, including vacuuming it. Comes with the hardware, comes with the tool. All you need is a 10 millimeter socket and a wrench, and you can have that thing out and installed yourself in just a few minutes. If you're interested in getting one, check out RockManFab.com. He's also on Instagram and Facebook, as well as RockMan Fab on Instagram, RockMan Fabrication on Facebook. I've been using their gear drawer system for quite a while. I had one in my LJ, and I also have one currently in Blue Jeep, my JL. He makes great products here in the USA. He's right out of Alabama and ships all over the United States. We've been a dealer for a while, so if you're interested in buying one, hit us up. or check out rockmanfab.com. I'm sure he can answer your questions as well as we can, and we'd be glad to help you out. Really appreciate working with these guys. The craftsmanship's great. I've had the great opportunity to ride with them in the past. It's a great family, a great product. Can't wait to test it out on the trail and store some great gear in there through the years. I'm sure it'll last me just like my drawer systems have. Thanks for watching. Eat your prunes, and we'll be seeing you.